Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel for this week's Toolbox safety topic video. Before we get started, make sure that you give me a thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you'll find additional videos of this nature, other safety related videos, and leadership training videos. And if you find this information useful or helpful, make sure you share it with your colleagues and coworkers. Well, let's go ahead and get started with the Toolbox safety topic video. This week's topic is on face protection, and I found this safety topic on Optimum Safety Management, and I thought it was a good one, so I'm sharing it with you. Face shields for workplace injury prevention. We talk a lot about eye safety and eye protection when dealing with hazards like sparks, debris, splashing chemicals, and focus on safety and goggles as an important part of our personal protective equipment. This makes sense. Our eyes are easily damaged, and becoming blinded from a work injury has significant repercussions for the injured employee and for the employer. In our focus on protecting eyes, though, let's not lose sight of the fact that more than just our eyes need to be and can be protected. Many tasks require the use of face shields too. They provide additional protection for our eyes and protect the rest of our face as well. With that said, there are some things that we need to understand about what face shields can and cannot do. When properly used as a part of a workplace injury prevention program, face shields provide additional protection against some impact hazards or things flying into our faces. Do pay attention to the word additional though. When used on their own, OSHA does not consider face shields to be adequate protection for impact hazards like flying fragments or objects, large chips of particles. To adequately protect employees from those hazards, a face shield must be used with safety glasses or goggles. That's right, 2 layers of protection. And if you think about it, it seems reasonable. The face shield can slow or even stop flying hazards before it even reaches your glasses, which are within an inch of your eye. That's a little close for comfort. A big part of why a face shield isn't enough on its own, though, is that it doesn't sit as close to our face or eyes. So there's still potential for something to fly under the shield and injure our eyes. When combined with safety glasses or goggles, a face shield provides an important additional layer of protection, not just for your eyes, but also protects the rest of your face from burns, cuts, or even exposures to toxic or caustic chemicals. Let's talk about selecting face shields. Like other PPE, we need to select the right face shield for the task at hand. To do so, we need to understand what options are available, what kind of protection is required, and how it will interact with other required PPE used for workplace injury prevention. One of the most important decisions comes down to selecting the right type of window, also called a visor, on the face shield. Many are available in different types of plastic or plastic-like materials. These often provide excellent visibility for the worker, are usually lightweight, and that reduces the strain on the worker's head and neck, and can even be ANSI rated for impact protection. The materials don't all function the same though. Some of these materials are more scratch resistant than others. Some provide adequate protection against specific chemical exposures, whereas others may provide none, or worse, might interact with specific chemicals in dangerous ways. Keep that in mind when selecting face shields to protect against chemical splashes, and make sure to consult your safety data sheets for the chemicals that you use to make sure your face shields are made of the right materials. Plastic or plastic-like materials aren't necessary or even ideal for all tasks though. Steel and nylon mesh windows are also available, protecting workers against impacts from larger objects. They won't provide the same level of protection against dust, fumes, and vapors, though, as they do not form a solid shield, allowing dust and vapors to pass through the mesh. That same mesh design allows for even greater airflow for the worker, which can be particularly useful when working outside in the heat. Other required PPE can also affect what type of face shields are appropriate. One common type is attached to hard hats, allowing employees to wear adequate head protection. When hard hats are not required, face shields are also available as adjustable headgear. Decisions on which type will depend on your PPE assessment, which makes it essential that a thorough analysis is performed so that employees have adequate PPE for workplace injury prevention, so that using face shields does not expose them to additional hazards. Face shields for specific tasks. There are also specialty face shields designed for specific jobs and designed to meet OSHA standards for workplace injury prevention against hazards unique to those job tasks. Examples include face shields designed to protect against arc flash when performing electrical work and that meet the National Fire Protection Association or the NFPA 70E standard. Others protect against heat and radiation, including shaded face shields that protect a worker's eyes from the intense light and radiation created when gas welding or cutting. When providing face shields to our workers, then it is important that we have a full understanding of the hazards associated with the task being performed and select one that is most appropriate for the task. After all, we require workers to perform work that exposes them to hazards they would not usually face, so it is only right that we do what we can to protect them from being injured. All right, boys and girls, that's it for this week's Toolbox safety topic video. Thanks for stopping by, and thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you'll find additional videos of this nature, other safety-related videos, and leadership training videos. And if you found this information useful or helpful, make sure you share it with your colleagues and coworkers. And until we see each other again, take care of yourself because you're number one. Look out for your coworkers and help ensure their safety. Have a grateful day, and I will see you in the field. All right, boys and girls, I fumbled through that a time or two. Listen, face protection, we don't talk about it enough. And there's all kinds of scenarios where we need to protect ourselves. Grinding operations, anything that creates sparks or flying debris, we need to make sure that we're protecting our faces as well as our eyes. And we just can't wear a face shield on its own. We have to use it in conjunction with safety glasses because, like it said in the safety topic, that something could fly up and hit your face and then bounce into your eyes if you didn't have the safety glasses on. Anyway, if you have a specific question about safety, leave a comment down below and I'll get to you and we'll get you the information that you need. If there's a specific safety video you'd like to see, also leave a comment down below and we'll see about getting that done for you. And remember, these Toolbox safety topics can be used on your job site for your Toolbox safety training. Just make sure that you have a sign-in sheet, you reference the video. This video, I've got several other videos and other people make the videos. Show the video, let the people sign it that they watch the video, maybe have some discussion on the subject, and then date it, and that becomes a document that could be provided to OSHA if they ever ask, or if you needed to show that you do continuous training on hazard recognition and hazard mitigation for your team, on your job, and for your company. I guess that's it. If you watch to the very end, I'll put in some of them Easter eggs I've been dropping in. I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a grateful day, and I will see you in the field. Stop recording.